Have you ever had a treehouse as a kid and thought, maybe I want an adult version of a treehouse? A place where the rules of the ground don't apply and you're free to let your imagination run wild? Well, today is your lucky day. Nautical Outdoors is bringing you this super informative video to guide you through the process of building a sturdy treehouse that will stand the test of time. Pull on your work gloves, grab your tools, and let's start building. Step 1 begins with the all-important task of selecting the perfect tree. Look for a mature, healthy hardwood tree with a sturdy trunk and strong branches. Oak, maple, or fir trees are excellent choices. Remember, the health and strength of your tree is essential in ensuring the longevity of your tree house. Next comes the planning stage. Sketch out a design that not only caters to your aesthetic preferences, but also respects the natural architecture of your chosen tree. When designing, consider factors such as the weight distribution, the height from the ground, and the accessibility of your treehouse. Now, it's time to gather your materials. Opt for high-quality, weather-resistant lumber for the main structure. Pressure-treated wood is a good choice as it can resist rot and insects. Also, don't skimp on the hardware. Use heavy-duty bolts and screws to ensure a secure and stable build. The fourth step is building the platform. This is the foundation of your treehouse, so take your time and make sure it's level and secure. Remember to leave some space for the tree to grow and breathe. Next, construct the walls and roof. Keep in mind the walls should be sturdy but not too heavy. The roof should be waterproof to protect your treehouse from the elements. The final step is installing the access. This could be a ladder, a rope, or even a staircase. Make sure it's safe and easy to use. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to building your own treehouse. Just remember, the key points to building a sturdy treehouse are selecting a healthy tree, planning carefully, using high-quality materials, building a secure platform, constructing sturdy walls and a waterproof roof, and installing safe access. And, most importantly, never forget to respect the tree and its natural environment. After all, it's not just a building site, it's a living, breathing entity that you're sharing a space with. So, go ahead, unleash your inner child, or simply create a tranquil retreat high above the ground. The sky's the limit when it comes to building your own treehouse. Happy building!